Hello guys, welcome to Elite Mind, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to claim your Aptos NFT. It's quite easy. So the first thing you have to do, you download Kiwi browser on your mobile and you add the Martian wallet extension to your Kiwi browser. So that's just it. So once you've added it, you save your seed phrase and your password. Then you head over to your account or wallet right here. You click on airdrop, as you can see on my screen here. Click on this airdrop. When you click on it, you request for Aptos and it will be given to you. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to switch your network right here. You click on this to switch your network and you change it to testnet. On default it will be on devnet, so you change it to testnet right here. This, so you just have to change this. All right, okay, so once you've done that, next step is to head over to this website, aptoslabs.com/nft_offers. All right, so this is it. So once you head over there, you click on your wallet, you connect wallet. Once you connect your wallet, then you mint your NFT. All right, so that's just it. It's as simple as anything. So this is my NFT right here. Okay, this is mine and I've minted successfully. So you can do yours, guys. Take action, and please do well to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video, as I'll be dropping more and more content, guys. All right, thank you and see you next time.